In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WordPress to Cloudflare. First thing you need to do is to head over to wordpress.com and create an account by clicking on the Just Get Started right here or right here. Once you already have an account, head over and then log in. Since I already have an account, let me head over and then choose in here this option. Next thing after that is to create an account on cloudflare.com. Click onto the Start for Free option in order to create an account, and you can head over and then sign up using particular options such as Google, or you can also use email for this. Just wait for this to after or finish loading. Let me head over and then sign up using my Google. Now, once you have actually logged in, you can see in here this. So what we can do is you can just enter in here an existing domain that we have from our WordPress. So here is my actual domain. Let's get it right here. Get it from the .com until the end of your domain. Then head over here to your Cloudflare and input that right there. Now in here you can choose in here the how AR Chloros access your site. You can block on all pages or do not block, and then head over and click on continue. Now once you have done that, they should be able to actually input right here that this is actually a root domain. Next thing you need to do after this is choose in here the plan that you wish to use for your domain. We have in here the free plan as well as the pro plan. You can see in here the pros and cons of this. Select in here the plan that you wish to use, and then after that, this should be able to redirect you to the next part of the setup. In here, this will scan for existing DNS records. And in here, you have the records that we found. Traffic is proxy, DNS management. You can add records, change it, and continue the activation after that. And this should be able to be connected to it. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out.